Imagine earning $100 every single day, using only AI tools in your personal computer. No coding, no experience, no special skills needed. Today, I'm sharing my exact daily routine that powers my income from 3 simple platforms. I'll walk you through setup, daily steps, doubling your efforts, and a bonus tip that could push your earnings even further. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into this. First, let's get everything set up. The tools are all free and beginner-friendly. The first one is ChatGPT, which you can find at chat.openai.com. You'll use it to create content, blog posts, emails, captions, even video scripts. Just type in what you need, and ChatGPT will deliver polished writing in seconds. Next, head to sunua.com. Sunua is a powerful design platform with AI features that let anyone create stunning templates, thumbnails, planners, or social graphics. It doesn't matter if you've never designed anything before, Sunua guides you step by step. The third tool is Pictory.ai. This website transforms your written text into professional-looking videos, complete with voiceovers and stock clips. Just paste in your script, select a theme, and Pictory handles editing for you. Once you've signed up for these 3 tools, ChatGPT, Sunua, and Pictory, you're ready. Let's move into the daily routine I use to make $100 per day. My routine begins with offering content creation gigs on Fiverr. Go to fiverr.com and create a profile offering blog writing, email copy, or social captions. Use ChatGPT to generate content fast. You can complete a blog post in under 15 minutes. Charge $10 to $25 per job, depending on length and complexity. If you deliver 4 or 5 jobs each day, your earnings quickly hit $100. For example, if you deliver 5 mini blog posts at $20 each, that's already $100. If you mix in a couple of email drafts or caption jobs, you can exceed that comfortably. I often dedicate an hour or 2 in the morning to doing client work on Fiverr. After clients approve it, I move on to the next step. Next, I make a YouTube short each day using ChatGPT and Pictory. I go to youtube.com, create a simple channel or use my existing one, and plan a short script based on trending ideas. ChatGPT helps me draft engaging titles and scripts. Then I paste the script into Pictory.ai, choose visuals and voiceovers, and export a vertical video ready for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. These short clips get posted and start gathering views, and over time they earn ad revenue. If you link affiliate products or promote your digital products in the description, you can get commissions too. Posting consistently helps your channel grow, and with even a few thousand views, you can start earning real money. The third income method in my routine is selling Sunua templates on Etsy. Visit etsy.com and create a shop offering digital downloads. Use Sunua to design simple planners, business card templates, or printable artwork. Once uploaded, Etsy takes care of distribution and file delivery. You don't even need to deal with customers directly. These templates can make passive income daily without further effort. I've designed layout bundles, journal covers, and habit trackers that sell repeatedly. If you create new designs once a week, your income compounds over time, even on weekends when you're not working. So these 3 steps, Fiverr jobs, YouTube shorts, and Etsy templates, form a core routine that easily reaches $100 per day. You can spend an hour on Fiverr, 30 minutes on Pictory content, another half-hour designing or updating Etsy products. That's less than 2 hours of active work daily, yet it results in sustainable income. Now let's talk about scaling this system and multiplying your earnings. Start by repurposing content. If you write a blog post using ChatGPT for a Fiverr client, repurpose that into the script for a YouTube short. Then take short clips from that video and post to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Pinterest video pin format. Each piece requires minimal effort and maximizes your reach from the same basic content. Next, automate routine tasks. Use scheduling tools like Buffer or Metricool to queue your social posts or YouTube shorts in advance. Write once, schedule it, and let it run. Automation means your content works for you long after you've moved on to other tasks. Set up the system. Build a content library in a Google Drive folder or Notion. Keep templates, scripts, thumbnails, and titles organized. That way, you can mix and match whenever you need fresh ideas. After 1 week of consistent work, you'll have down scenes of pieces ready to release at any time, which cuts daily work down to nearly nothing. Now for the bonus tip, affiliate marketing. You can promote tools you already use and earn commissions from referrals. Sign up for affiliate programs at impact.com or digistory24.com. For example, if you promote Sanua as a design tool for beginners, share your link with Fiverr clients, blog readers, or video viewers, you earn a commission each time someone signs up through your link. If 5 people sign up, using your affiliate link at $5 each commission, that's $25 per day from affiliate income alone without any additional work. Imagine combining that with your $100 daily routine and reaching $125 daily effortlessly. These methods are repeatable over a month. That's approximately $1,900 from your content services and product sales, plus $750 from affiliate commissions, nearly $2,750 total, all with minimal time and no specialized skills required. But wait, let's address a couple of questions. What if you can only do one method? Great, focus on fire first. If you can deliver quality work quickly, build a reputation, and raise prices, you can generate $100 or more per day there alone. What if you hate writing? Then focus on Sanua templates and Etsy products, or prioritize YouTube short content if you prefer video creation. The point is, mix and match to fit your strengths and schedule, and always keep repurposing. Now here's a quick recap of how my average day flows. I start by doing client jobs on Fiverr using ChatGPT to speed up writing. Then I write a short script, turn it into a video with Pictory, and post it to YouTube Shorts. After that, I spend a few minutes creating or updating a Sanua template and uploading it to Etsy. Finally, I schedule social posts and include affiliate links in video descriptions or template descriptions. Leave your content working overnight, and you'll wake up to new income. If you'd like to try this routine, pick your favorite tool first, whether it's ChatGPT or Sanua, and commit to doing one task each morning. Track your earnings in a simple spreadsheet or notebook. Over time, you'll see results grow. If you found value in this video, please do me a favor and hit that like button. It helps others discover this guide. Subscribe to CoinCrafts for more actionable income strategies, realistic hustles, and AI-powered routines that anyone can follow. And drop a comment below telling me which part you're going to try first: Fiverr content services, video creation, or Sanua products. Let me know. Thank you for watching. Your support helps me keep bringing real, test-driven strategies. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay crafty and keep earning.